Hi, welcome back to my channel. I just want to show you my wrist brace that I use. My doctor said that I'm showing symptoms of carpal tunnel. I have the numbness and the tingling in my hands. So he recommended that I get a brace to wear. So this is the one that I have. It's actually from CVS, but you know, there's some online that works the same. He told me to get a left and a right one, but actually I got a left and right one. As you can see, you know, the two holes here is showing left and right. I got a large, and this is how it looks on the inside. It's comfortable. He told me to wear it at night to help with my symptoms, and it does seem to be working. It's kind of how it looks. There is a this metal piece that goes inside of it. So you see right here, different brace look a little bit different, but they pretty much do the same thing. So basically this brace is supposed to fit over the wrist like that. So it helps that the median nerve, which is causing the problem, I guess, you know, repetitive things like typing and using the hands can cause the numbness. Some people have pain, but right now I'm in the beginning stages, so he's trying to avoid me having, you know, to get worse. So that's why I'm wearing this. I only have to wear it at night, so this brace is already in there, so it can stay in there. But let me show you how I wear it. Okay, so I'm using this one here. So that metal part is right here. And like I said, this is pretty comfortable. I can use the right or left hand. So for here, I'm using the right. And then basically, you just have to make sure it's snugged, not like super tight. You're not trying to get it like a tourniquet. So long as that metal part is here on the wrist, and then you just kind of follow your adhesive, how that works. That feels pretty comfortable. And then this part here, I'm putting snug in, so it's big enough for me. And then there's a bottom part that I can kind of snap to. I don't wear it every single night, but I try to wear it most nights, so you know, I have the both right and left. So you know, your doctor may recommend this. There's a lot of them online. I know Mueller is supposed to be a really good popular one. I just got, you know, went to CVS and got their brand, but this is pretty good. It takes, you know, I gotta get used to using it, but you know, just wanted to show you this is one way that my doctor's telling me to do to avoid carpal tunnel getting worse. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.